In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Facebook Marketplace if you're encountering issues. This is a platform within Facebook where users can buy and sell items locally. However, if you're having trouble accessing it, there could be a number of reasons why. Let's walk through a few steps to troubleshoot this issue. First, you need to verify whether Marketplace is actually available in your region. It's important to know that Facebook Marketplace isn't yet supported in all countries. If you find that you can't access it, this could simply mean that it hasn't been launched in your area. Next, ensure that you meet the age requirements. Facebook has set a minimum age of 18 years to use Marketplace. If you're younger, you won't be able to access this feature until you turn 18. Now, let's focus on updating your app. If you're using Facebook on your mobile device, head over to your device's app store, either Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and ensure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed. Sometimes simply updating the app can solve the problem. On the other hand, if you're accessing Facebook through a web browser like Chrome, it might be helpful to clear your cache and cookies, followed by logging back into your account. If you're using the web version of Facebook, a quick way to check for access is to directly visit facebook.com/marketplace. If it opens without any hitches, great. That means you have access. It's also crucial to adhere to Facebook's community standards. Sometimes Facebook might restrict your account from accessing Marketplace if you have any violations, such as having fake or duplicate accounts, posting offensive content, or selling items that are prohibited. In such cases, you should remove any content that might have caused these restrictions and patiently wait for them to be lifted. In the event that Marketplace has been blocked, you can appeal the decision. To do this, go to Facebook, navigate to Help and Support, and then select Report a Problem. Choose Marketplace from the options and make sure to explain your issue clearly and politely. Alternatively, you can also visit facebook.com/help and search for Marketplace Appeal, where you'll find more detailed instructions. Sometimes simply switching devices or browsers can also help. Try accessing Marketplace on a different phone or computer if it's not appearing on your current device. Finally, if you have a relatively new Facebook account or haven't been very active on the platform, this might be why Marketplace isn't available to you. To fix this, stay active by joining groups, adding friends, and posting regularly. This interaction can sometimes unlock access. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues accessing Facebook Marketplace. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to buying and selling in no time.